And just into our newsroom, some breaking news. We are learning of an officer-involved shooting in Monroe County. Sheriff Tommy Jones says it happened early Sunday morning on Meadowview Lane in Madisonville. Deputies and officers with the Madisonville Police Department were trying to arrest a man on terroristic threats. When deputies got to the scene, they say they told the man to come out of his home. And when he did, they say he started shooting towards law enforcement. That's when the deputy returned fire. One deputy was hit in the shoulder with shotgun pellets and was treated and released from the hospital. The suspect surrendered a short time later.